Hello everyone, so you're welcome back on my channel. I know of late I've been posting French language and all of that. Okay, so on this episode I'm going to be teaching you more of the French phrases to learn. So one of the French phrases we're going to be learning today is going to help you guys to know how to speak French when you find yourself in a French country. Don't worry, it's not too difficult. Like I said, I'm not going to be teaching you so many difficult things. So it's just some basic French language that will help you, like a day-to-day language, something to speak, a day-to-day language. So that's it. Okay, so guys, now let's learn another French word, which is kingship in French. How to know or how to say brother, sister, mother, father, uncle. So let's start with mother. So how do you say mother in a French word? It is ma mère, my mom. So mother is la mère, maman. Or you can say my mother, ma mère. Okay, so that's mother. And father is le père. I'm going to write it on the screen. So when you want to say father in French, you say le père. And sister is sœur, la sœur, the sister, la sœur. That's the sister. My sister, ma sœur. Because it's a feminine word, so you say ma sœur. And brother, you say frère. If you want to say my brother, you say mon frère. Don't forget, mon frère. Ah, oui, il est mon frère. Yes, he's my brother. And how do you say cousin? Cousin. Yeah. Cousin, that's my cousin. Cousin for the male. Like if it's a male you're talking about, it's mon cousin. And how do you say uncle when you want to say it in a French word? So uncle is oncle, mon oncle, my uncle, mon oncle. And how do you say my auntie in a French word? So my auntie will go for ma tante, because it's a feminine word, so it is ma tante. I'll put everything on the screen for you guys to see, ma tante. And how do you say how do you say grandma? You say grandma in a French word as grand-mère. Is the same word, grand. So to say grandfather, you say grand-père. I'll write it up for you guys, grand-père. To say niece, say, if you want to say my niece, say une nièce. And how do you say nephew? My nephew, it is like nephew, neveu. So I'll put everything right on the screen for you. So if you know that this video has been helpful for you, just give us a thumbs up and share, subscribe, turn on your notification button. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon. À très bientôt. Merci beaucoup.